Need to move money between your SoFi account and your traditional bank? The first step is linking them together. Today, I'm showing you the simple process to connect an external account. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. This creates a secure bridge between your banks, allowing for easy transfers in either direction. The process uses a verification method to confirm you own the external account. First, open the SoFi app and go to the Transfers tab. Tap Link External Account and then select your bank from the list or search for it. You'll then be prompted to enter the external account's routing and account number. SoFi will then make 2 small trial deposits into that account within 1 to 3 business days. You'll need to check that account statement to see the exact amounts. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: the micro deposit method is the most reliable. While some banks offer instant verification, manually confirming those 2 small deposits is the gold standard. Once you see them, you log back into SoFi, enter the amounts, and the link is permanently active. Just like that, you've connected your financial world. Moving money between your accounts is now seamless and free. How many external accounts do you like to have linked for flexibility? Let me know down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.